Reverse sear ribeye, baby. Let's go. Today we got a family favorite. We got a bone-in ribeye that we're gonna reverse sear. So beef tallow first. Magnificent. Trimmed up some briskets. Got the pot of beef tallow. Rub the beef tallow on. Just beef fat on beef, baby. What more could you need? Okay, now those are disgusting. So we are going to those. Well, actually, not on the counter because I have to clean it after. This is a little salt, pepper, garlic. Then we're gonna go the other side. Hey, look at that. Do one side, you do the other. Make sure you get all the sides. Ooh, that is nice already. You can already see that is gonna be a good steak. See how it just bounces? You know some steaks you get and they're just hard. They are hard. This one you can tell, she gonna be good. Real good. It's now loaded. We're gonna snag off one of these. Whoop, don't break it. And that old gal right there. For beauty.